I made this in 5 minutes, no camera, no editing software, just one text prompt and an AI tool that most people are completely sleeping on. But here's what nobody's showing you about LTX Studio. All right, let me show you how fast this actually is. You open up LTX Studio, type in whatever idea you have. Could be one sentence, could be a full paragraph, and it breaks your concept down into scenes automatically. It generates characters, picks camera angles, builds a full storyboard, all from your text. Then you hit generate, and within seconds you've got a cinematic video clip sitting right in front of you. No timeline, no keyframes, no editing. You described it, the AI built it. Now, the speed is impressive, but that's honestly not why I'm excited about this tool. Here's the thing most AI video tools get horribly wrong. You create a character in your first scene, and by the third scene they look like a completely different person. Different face, different hair, different outfit. It completely destroys any sense of story. I've tested most of the major AI video tools out there, and they all struggle with this problem. LTX actually figured it out. You create a character once, define their face, their look, their outfit, even their voice, and they stay consistent across your entire project. Same person in every single shot. If you're trying to tell any kind of story or create content that makes sense from start to finish, character consistency is everything, and right now, LTX handles it better than almost anything else on the market. Now, before you go sign up, there's something you need to know, and this is the part most review channels conveniently skip over. LTX runs on something called computing seconds. The free tier gives you around 800 seconds, one time. Sounds generous until you realize one solid clip can chew through a decent chunk of that. I burned through my first batch just experimenting. So my advice, don't just hit generate on random ideas. Plan your scenes, refine your descriptions before you spend credits. You'll get way more out of it. Also, and I need to be straight with you, the motion isn't perfect yet. Short clips look great, but longer shots can get a little wonky. Hands might glitch, movement can feel unnatural, and faces sometimes drift on extended sequences. It's AI. It's 2026. We're making incredible progress, but we're not at Pixar level yet. So who should actually use this? If you're a content creator, making concept videos, storyboards, or short-form content for social media, this is genuinely powerful. If you're a filmmaker who wants to visualize a scene before spending real money on production, this saves you hours. If you're a marketer who needs quick video assets to pitch an idea, this gets you there faster than anything else. Even Taika Waititi, the Thor director, said he uses LTX to explain what's in his head faster than words ever could. When a Hollywood director is using the same free tool you can access today, that tells you exactly where this technology is heading. So my final verdict, LTX Studio is legit. It's not flawless. The credits run out fast and longer. Animations still need work. But for turning raw ideas into actual visuals without a film crew or any technical skill, nothing else does it quite like this right now. Free tier is enough to test it and see if it fits your workflow. Link is in the description below. And if you want to take your AI videos even further and add realistic motion to characters, I made a video on Viggle AI that'll genuinely blow your mind. Go check that one out. Next,